Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome to Maths class. Last class we learned multiplication in regrouping and multiplication using standard algorithm. Shall we recall? First, multiplication in regrouping. Here we have 43 multiplied by 2. First, we are going to regroup the multiplicand, that is 43. 43 can be regrouped into 4 tens plus 3 ones. Multiply by 2. Next step is we have to separate this. 40 into 2 plus 3 into 2. Next step, we have to multiply this. 0 into 2, yes, 0. 4 twos are 8. Plus 3 twos are 6. Next step, we have to add this. 80 plus 6. 0 plus 6, 6 and then 8. So the answer is 86. 43 multiplied by 2 equal to 86. Next, multiplication using standard algorithm. Here we have 21 multiplied by 3. For standard algorithm, we have to draw? Yes, we have to draw box according to the digits. Here we have 2-digit number, ones and tens. Ones and tens. In ones we have 1. In tens we have 2. Multiply by 3. First we have to multiply by the bottom to top. First ones place. 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Next tens place. 3 into 2. 3 twos are? Yes, 6. So 21 multiplied by 3 equal to 63. Today we are going to learn lattice multiplication. Lattice multiplication is helpful while dealing with numbers more than 2 digits. Let's see the steps of lattice multiplication. Here we have 56 multiplied by 36. Children, for lattice multiplication, we have to draw squares according to the digits of the multiplicand and multiplier. Here we have 2 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. So, we have to draw 4 squares. Children, draw square like this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. Write the multiplicand at the top and write the multiplier by the side. 56. 36. Next, we have to draw diagonal for each square. Draw the diagonal for each square. Shall we multiply? Here we have 3. 3 multiplied by 6. 3 6 are? Yes, 18. 3 6 are 18. Write the ones here and tens here. 6 3s are 18. Next we have 5. 5 3s are? Yes, 15. Right? ones here and then tens at the top. Next we have 6. 6 6 are? Yes, 36. Write the ones at the bottom and tens at the top. 36. Next 5. 6 5s are? Yes, 30. Write 0 and 3. Next, we have to find the total for each diagonal. Extend the line. Here we have 6. So, write 6. Here we have 8, 3 and 0. 8 plus 3? Yes, 11. 11 plus 0? 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. So, write ones here and carry over the tens to the next diagonal here. Here we have 1, 5, 3. 1 plus 5? 6. 6 plus 3? 9. 9 plus 1? 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So, write the ones here and carry over the tens to the other part. Here we have 1 plus 1, 2. So, the answer is 2, 0, 1, 6. So, the answer is 2016. Let's see another example. Here we have 42 multiplied by 13. For lattice multiplication, we have to draw, yes, squares according to the digits. Here we have 2 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. So we have to draw 4 squares. Four squares and then write the numbers 42 on the top, 13 by the side. Next, we have to draw the diagonal. Next step, we have to multiply. Here we have 1. 1, 2 is 2. 2 is a single digit number. Here we have 2 sides. So, write ones here. For tens, we have to write 0. For tens, we have to write 0. Next, 1, 4 is 4. Here also we have single digit number. So, write 0 for tens. Next, 3. 3 twos are 6. 6 is also single digit number. Write ones here and write 0 for tens. Next, 4. 3 fours are? Yes, 12. Write ones here and tens at the top. Next step, we have to add each diagonals. Extend the lines. Here we have 6. Next we have 2, 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Next we have 0, 4, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Here we have 0. So, the answer is 546. 42 multiplied by 13 equal to 546. Children, let us do the exercise. First, we have 22 multiplied by 25. Children, In lattice multiplication, we have to draw, yes, squares according to the digits of multiplicand and multiplier. Lattice multiplication la அங்க கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ஸ்ல இருக்க டிஜிட்ஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் டிரா பண்ணனும். இங்க நமக்கு எத்தனை டிஜிட்ஸ் இருக்கு? மல்டிப்ளிகன்ட்ல 2 டிஜிட்ஸ் இருக்கு, மல்டிப்ளையர்ல 2 டிஜிட்ஸ் இருக்கு. So we have to draw 4 squares. Children, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares draw பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் கொடுத்திருக்க மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட மேலே எழுதணும், மல்டிப்ளையர சைடுல எழுதணும். Multiplicand is 22 and the multiplier is 25. Next step, we have to draw diagonal. Children, next number ஒரு ஸ்கொயருக்கும் டயகனல் டிரா பண்ணணும். இந்த ஸ்கொயருக்கு டயகனல், இந்த ஸ்கொயருக்கு டயகனல், இந்த ஸ்கொயருக்கு டயகனல், அப்புறம் இந்த ஸ்கொயருக்கு டயகனல். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we have to draw square according to the digits. Next we have to draw diagonals for each square. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். சைடுல இருக்க நம்பரை மேல இருக்க நம்பர்ஸ்ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். First, we will take 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 வந்து single digit number. 4 is a single digit number. இங்க நம்ம diagonal பிரிச்சதால நமக்கு 2 sides இருக்கு. So, நம்ம வந்து 2 numbers எழுதுனாதான் confuse ஆகாம இருக்கும். அதனால 4 1 placeல எழுதிட்டு 10th placeல நமக்கு number இல்ல. அதனால 0 போட்டுக்கலாம். 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 2s are again 4. Write 4 in ones place and yes, 0 in tens place. Next, 5. Next, 5 வந்து மேல இருக்க 2 நம்பர்ஸ்ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். 5 2s are yes, 10. Ones கீழ எழுதுங்க, tens மேல எழுதுங்க, 10. Again 5 2s are yes, 10. Ones கீழ, tens மேல, 10. Next, we have to extend the line. இந்த lines கொஞ்சம் extend பண்ணிக்கலாம். Next step is, we have to add each diagonal. இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி add பண்ணணும்? Diagonal wiseல add பண்ணணும். Okay, first diagonalல 0 மட்டும் இருக்கு, so write 0. In next diagonal we have 4, 1 and 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. So write 5. Next diagonal we have 0, 4 and 1. அடுத்த diagonalல 0, 4, 1 இருக்கு. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Right? 5. Next diagonalல 0 மட்டும் இருக்கு. So write 0. So the answer வந்து இந்த சைடுல இருந்து எழுதிட்டு போணும். மேல இருந்து எழுதிட்டு போணும். 550. The answer is 550. 22 multiply by 25 equal to 550. Next, second one. Here we have 34 multiplied by 51. For lattice multiplication, we have to draw squares according to the digits of multiplicand and multiplier. Lattice multiplication க்கு அங்க கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ஸ்ல இருக்க digits பேஸ் பண்ணி square draw பண்ணனும். Here we have 2 digits in the multiplicand and 2 digits in the multiplier. So we have to draw 4 squares. Next, we have to write the numbers. First, 34. 34 மேல எழுதணும் multiplicand and then 51 side எழுதணும். Next step, yes, we have to draw diagonal. அடுத்து ஒரு ஸ்கொயருக்கும் diagonal draw பண்ணணும். Okay. Next, we have to multiply. First we have 5. We have to multiply 5 and 4. 5 fours are? Yes, 20. Write ones here and tens here. Next, 3. 5 threes are? Yes, 15. Next, 1. 1 4 is 4. 4 is a single digit number. So, we have to write 0 for tens. Next, 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 is also single digit number. We have to write 0 for tens. 3 single digit number. அதனால tens place க்கு நம்ம 0 போட்டுக்கலாம். Then extend the lines. Next, we have to add each diagonals. First we have 4. First diagonal 4 மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. Next we have 0, 0 and 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Next we have 2, 5 and 0. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 0, yes, 7. Next we have 1. So the answer is 1, 7, 3, 4. 1734. 34 multiply by 51 equal to 1734. Next, third one. 45 multiply by 24. For lattice multiplication, yes, we have to draw squares according to the digits. Here we have 2 digits in the multiplicand and 2 digits in the multiplier. இங்க multiplicandல 2 digits இருக்கு, multiplierல 2 digits இருக்கு. So, we have to draw 4 squares. Next step, we have to write the numbers. First, 45. 45 மேல எழுதணும் and then 24 sideல எழுதணும். Next step, yes, we have to draw diagonals. ஒரு ஸ்கொயருக்கும் diagonals draw பண்ணணும். Okay. Next, we have to multiply. Here we have 2. 2 5s are? Yes, 10. Next, 4. 2 4s are? Yes, 8. 8 is a single digit number. So, I am going to put 0 for tens place. Next, we have 4. 4 5s are? Yes, 20. Next, 4. 4 4s are? Yes, 16. Next, extend the line. Next, we are going to add each diagonals. அடுத்து நம்ம ஒரு diagonalல இருக்க நம்பர்ஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். First one 0 மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. So write 0. Second we have 0, 2 and 6. 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 6 8. Here we have 1, 8 and 1. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So write ones here. Carry over things to the next place. Here we have 0. 0 plus 1 1. 1 0 8 0. So the answer is 1080. 45 multiply by 24 equal to 1080.
Let us do the exercise. Complete the following table. If the cost of 1 pen is ₹5, what will be the cost of 8 pens? Children, here they gave the cost of 1 pen. We have to find the cost of 8 pens, which means 8 times 5. 8 5s are 40. The cost of 8 pens equal to 40. Second one. If there are 7 balls in a bag, how many balls will be there in 4 bags? Children, here there are 7 balls in a bag. We have to find the number of balls in 4 bags, which means 4 times 7. 4 sevens are? Yes, 28. So, there are 28 balls will be there in 4 bags. Third one. If the cost of 1 book is ₹10, what will be the cost of 7 books? Children, here the cost of 1 book is 10. We have to find the cost of 7 books. Write 7 in the dash. 7 times 10. 7 tens are? Yes, 70. So, the cost of 7 books equal to 70. Fourth one. If there are 6 buttons in a shirt, how many buttons will be there in 3 shirts? Children, here 6 buttons in a shirt. We have to find the number of buttons in 3 shirts, which means 3 times 6. Write 3 into 6. 3 6 are? Yes, 18. So, there are 18 buttons will be there in 3 shirts. Let us complete the following exercise. First one. If there are 4 toys in a box, how many toys will be there in 9 boxes? First, we have number of boxes. Children, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 boxes. Next, number of toys in each box. Tell me children, how many toys are there in each box? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 toys in each box. Next, total number of toys, which is 9 times 4. 9 fours are? Yes, 36. There are 36 toys will be there in 9 boxes. Second one. If there are 3 color pencils in a packet, how many color pencils will be there in 9 packets? First, we have to count the number of packets. Tell me children, how many packets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 packets. Next, number of color pencils in each packet. How many color pencils are there in each packet? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 color pencils in each packet. Next, total number of color pencils, which is 9 times 3. 9 threes are? Yes, 27. There are 27 color pencils will be there in 9 packets. Write the multiplication fact for the following products. Children, here we have the product of multiplication facts. We have to find the multiplicand and multiplier. For that, we have to check the tables. First, we have the product of 24. Children, let us start from first table. 1 into 24 equal to 24. Write 1 into 24. Next, second table. 2 into 12 equal to 24. Write 2 into 12. Next, third table. 3 into 8 equal to 24. Write 3 into 8. Next, fourth table. 4 into 6 equal to 24. Write 4 into 6. Next, fifth table. Children, we don't have the product of 24 in fifth table. So, let us check sixth table. 6 into 4 equal to 24. Write 6 into 4. Next, we have the product 36. We are going to start from? Yes. First table. 1 into 36 equal to 36. Write 1 into 36. Next, second table. 2 into 18 equal to 36. Write 2 into 18. Next, yes, third table. 3 into 12 equal to 36. Write 3 into 12. Next, yes, fourth table. 4 into 9 equal to 36. Write 4 into 9. Next, fifth table. Children, we don't have the product of 36 in fifth table. So, let's check sixth table. 6 into 6 equal to 36. Write 6 into 6. Next, we have the product of 45. Let's start from the first table. 1 into 45 equal to 45. Write 1 into 45. Children, next we have the product of 45 in third table. 3 into 15 equal to 45. Write 3 into 15. Next, we have the product of 45 in 15th table. 15 into 3 equal to 45. Write 15 into 3. Next, we have the product of 45 in 45th table. 45 into 1 equal to 45. Write 45 into 1.
Thank you, children.